Hi friends! Today is Tuesday and I wanted to give you guys some feedback about the quiz that you did on Friday. You guys did such a good job on your math quiz, learning about time and using those clocks. And I know that a lot of you were using the online source of the clock that you can play with online to help your thinking. I want to talk about the question that almost every single person got right, and then a question that a lot of friends struggled with. So, this is the quiz that you guys all see, and you put in your name and then what class you were in. And then I can see each of the questions that I made here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if I go up here to responses, I can see what people did a really good job on and what people did not do a good job on. So I want you to look at number 1. 82 people out of 91 people got number 1 correct. That's a big deal. And we did similarly correct on number 2. So let's go back and look at number 1 and 2 and see what a great job we did. So for number 1, I know my hour hand is here, my minute hand is here, so I got 12:15. Nice job, guys. For number 2, my hour hand is here, half past the 10, 10:05, 10:10, 10:15, 10:20, 10:25, 10:30, 10:35, and we did a great job on that one. Now this next one is where we got a little bit tricked. I can see that my hour hand is right here between the 3 and the 4, but it's almost touching the 4. And I see my minute hand is all the way over here, and if I count by 5s, I would see that my minute hand is on the 55, so 55 minutes into it. A lot of people put 4:55. Now I'm going to show you why that's a really good mistake. So I've got my clock set up here, and I've set it up already to 3 o'clock because I want to show you how we're still in the 3rd hour. Now my 55 is up here, and I want you to look at where my hour hand goes. So I've got 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25, 3:30, 35, 40. Now this was really tricky because it almost looks like it's touching the 4, but it's still right in between the 3 and the 4. And if it's in between two numbers, we go with the smaller number. That's right. So this is actually still in the 3rd hour. So this would be 3:55. So if you put 3:55 as your answer, it should have come up that that was correct. This week we're going to finish learning about clocks and time, and on Friday you're going to be having a quiz about time to the minute. So today, on Tuesday, we're going to be doing lots more practice with time to the minute, and I know because I talked to Manuel on Friday for lunch brunch that this might be a little bit tricky, but that's okay because you guys are working really hard at home and you're ready for 2nd grade work. Have a good time with your clocks!